Hello everyone, my name is Roy. Welcome to my channel RoysArtyCrafty. So in this video we'll try to see how we can write print handwriting and we'll try the capital letters. So let's get started. In this example we'll be writing two styles. One will be American typewriter font and another will be normal print style. So while writing the capital A in American typewriter font, a small serif will be added to the base of the letter and the normal font will be simple A without any serif or the flourishes. The left side capital letter A is in American typewriter font and the right side A will be in normal print writing font. Now we'll be writing the other letters like B, C, D and E. The capital letter B has two parts and these two parts either have to be same in size or the upper part cannot be bigger in size. So either the upper part has to be smaller or same in size with the lower part. So a horizontal line can be drawn first exactly in the middle and then we can draw the two parts of the capital letter B. The normal capital letter C will not be as curved as compared to the American typewriter C. So there will be a more curve in the American typewriter font on the capital letter C. The capital letter D will have some extensions in typewriter font and the normal D will not have any extensions. It will have only the D. So while writing the capital letter E, it has two parts and so a horizontal line has to be there exactly in the middle of the letter. In typewriter font, the horizontal line or the middle line will be a bit shorter and will have some serif, whereas the normal capital letter E will have three lines with same length. Similarly, the capital letter F will have two lines and the middle line will be shorter in typewriter font, whereas the line will be same length and both the lines will be same in normal font. In the next part, we'll be writing other letters. The capital letter G will have curve in American typewriter font, whereas the normal capital letter G will not have much curve. The capital letter H will be similar to the normal capital letter H as well, but only the difference in the American typewriter font will be the serif at the base of the H or at the top of the H in both the stems. The letter without having any serif can be called as sans serif, but I am calling it as normal font or print style font. If you like this video, please share and subscribe the channel, and thank you very much for watching.